Hello, Monty with Gillespie Abbey Carpet and Floors, and guess what time of year it is? It's that time of year when the voters of the Daily Republic newspaper select the Reader's Choice Awards. And we want to congratulate all of the businesses recognized in this wonderful magazine as Reader's Choice Awards, as well as Gillespie's Abbey Carpet and Floor. Not only were we selected the #1 flooring store here in Solano County, but also the #1 carpet cleaning company here in Solano County. And this has been happening now for over 2 decades. And we say to ourselves, why does this continue to happen? The thing that stands out the most is we have a sign here in our shop that our team is truly committed to make it happen. And that is, how we treat our clients today will dictate how many we have tomorrow. And we continue to strive, and our team continues to strive to improve on our systems to make it an enjoyable experience for our clients, to have stress-free shopping and an enjoyable home makeover process for their homes. And we take great pride in that. And so we are so proud of our team for staying focused on that. But last but not least, it's our clients. Without our clients, we don't survive. So we do everything we can to support our community and to help the community thrive, because that we know in return our businesses are going to thrive. So thank you to the G team for their commitment to our clients. Thank you to the community for their commitment to us. And thank you for voting us the #1 flooring store and the #1 carpet cleaning company here in Solano County.